excited when our team finally qualified after 10 years. So you know what? We said let's build momentum, let's build the spirit of winning. We were so excited for our national team. So this to rally up the fans, get them geared up so that we support our national team to the final cup.
What else is in store apart from the bus?
We have a competition running at all of our service stations. So what one has to do is get $30 worth of fuel and they receive a scratch card. And on that scratch card there's a code. So on that code, it's either you get an instant prize or either you go in and you enter your details onto our website, and then that way you enter a draw to win tickets to go watch the final match in Gabon at the expense of Total.
Yes, Zimbabwe is playing the best 3 matches. Then there are chances that they're also going to qualify to the next stage. And you are supposed to take some of the fans to Gabon. What's the arrangement? Are you going to take the fans right up to the finals, or it's just the first 3 matches?
We're doing it locally because at the present moment the entire Total group is sponsoring the entire AFCON competition. We are the main sponsor, so we signed an agreement with CAF for the next 8 years. Total is going to be the main sponsor. So we wanted to do this locally for our country and for our team.
And what are you hoping for Zimbabwe as a team?
Oh, of course, behave like warriors, bring back the cup. It is ours, we're supposed to win, momentous occasion. Let's do it, let's go guys, let's handle this, let's win it. Tanchida kuti vanhu vanyaso minzwa spirit yekuti team yedu yazoqualify after 10 years. Saka tantine excitement kuti ngatibuilde spirit yacho behind the winning, behind the support for our team. Saka tangoti tuye nebus, tuye kune vanhu vanyasoona kuti Total supporter team, Total supporter nyika. Total Zimbabwe tikutoita competition zvoti even mafans acho vanokwanisa kuwina matickets kuti vanoona final game. Saka vakaenter competition yacho vakawina, they can tell us on the ground kuti chichanga chichitika kugaba. Nothing but bring back the cup, bring it home. We're excited about this. Warriors, let's win this.